Abbott coronavirus antibody test highly accurate. Infected mom's breast milk carries antibodies. Researchers from the University of Washington School of Medicine published a study on May 7 proving that the new coronavirus antibody test by Abbott Laboratories is highly accurate. The study, published in the Journal of Clinical Microbiology, found that the test is able to determine whether someone has been infected with the novel coronavirus. The antibody test reportedly has a specificity rate of 99.9% and a sensitivity rate of 100%, which means that it is unlikely that one would be misdiagnosed by the test as having been infected with the novel coronavirus. It is also nearly impossible for the test to give a false negative reading. On May 11, Abbott announced that the US Food and Drug Administration issued emergency use authorization for their antibody test kit. The company is planning to ship around 30 million of its antibody tests across the world in May, and they expect to have the capacity for 60 million tests the next month. According to Abbott's press release, antibody testing is supposed to help provide a greater understanding of the virus, including how long antibodies stay in the body and how much of the population has been infected. The company has reportedly already started shipping out antibody tests to the US, the UK, India, Spain, and Italy for use on the Architect system, which offers clinical chemistry and immunoassay testing. According to Reuters, 10 million Abbott antibody tests have already been shipped to hospitals and labs. Abbott President and CEO Robert Ford said, "Having more options of highly reliable tests across our platforms will help healthcare workers and health officials as they conduct broad-scale testing for COVID-19. The news of Abbott's antibody test comes as scientists are learning more and more about the role antibodies play amid the coronavirus pandemic. A study published on May 8 on the preprint server medRxiv found that antibodies in breast milk of infected mothers may protect their babies from the novel coronavirus. Lead author Rebecca Powell said, "Nursing mothers who are infected with the novel coronavirus should continue to breastfeed throughout their COVID-19 illness and beyond." She said studies have shown that the virus cannot be transmitted via milk, and their research proves that antibodies are almost certainly there and may protect their babies from infection.